You always want what you can't have, and while you had it.
Huawei is all set to launch what is widely believed to be the Chinese giant's last flagship smartphone lineup for some time. The Mate 40 series. The company has already confirmed a launch event for October 22, where it's expected to unveil two new smartphones. The Mate 40 and Mate 40 Pro. Now ahead of the official launch, a new leak has revealed some of the key aspects of the Pro model, including the overall design, display, camera, new Kirin chip, and more. According to WinFuture, the Mate 40 Pro will feature a 6.76-inch OLED display with a screen resolution of 2772 x 1344. Just like the regular Mate 40, the display will be curved on its sides and feature a pill-shaped cutout to accommodate front cameras. As seen in the renders, the phone will feature a circular camera module that seemingly resembles the iPod Shuffle button layout, with Leica branding visible in the middle. In line with previous leaks, the report notes the Mate 40 Pro will be powered by Kirin 9000 octa-core SoC, featuring 3x ARM Cortex-A77 cores clocked at 2.54 GHz, 1x ARM Cortex-A77 core at 3.13 GHz, and 4x ARM Cortex-A55 efficiency cores running at 2.04 GHz. The Mali G78 GPU will handle the graphics side of things. Further, the report adds, the chipset will be built on TSMC's 5nm process and come with an integrated 5G modem. In Europe, the Mate 40 Pro will be offered in only one memory variant. 8GB of RAM and 256GB of UFS 3.1 flash storage with no microSD card expansion, according to the report. Coming to the cameras, the Mate 40 Pro is said to be packing a 50MP f1.9 primary sensor with OIS, a 20MP f1.8 ultra-wide-angle sensor, and a 12MP f3.4 telephoto shooter. Meanwhile, there will be a 13MP f2.4 selfie camera and a 3D sensor, ToF, on the front. Lastly, the phone will reportedly pack a 4400 mAh battery with support for 65W supercharged fast charger, Bluetooth 5.2, Wi-Fi 6, wireless charging support, and will come running Android 10-based MUI 11 with Huawei Mobile Services, HMS. The exact pricing and availability details remain unknown for now. With the official launch just a few days away, however, we won't have to wait too long to learn about the missing bits. And that's it for today. If you want to keep in touch with the latest leaks and rumors in the tech world, then click that subscribe button below. Thank you for being here. See you in the next one.